do you want me to say? We're on top of the volcano. But the volcano is right there. So I don't.
Whoa, what the hell is this?
Yeah, Ate, what the heck? If that's the volcano, and this is the crater. Honey, hunty, there.
We have been
Excuse me?
pranked.